Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I usually tend to eat kind of the same type of things. Like I'll eat a really light breakfast in the morning, a pretty big post-gym meal. Some days I like to switch it up, and then to be honest, for like dinner type of stuff, I usually have like my dinner at work as my like break meal. Right now I'm in my gym clothes because I'm gonna head over there. This week was a little different in the aspect that I was eating a little bit more just because that time of the month. So I don't know about you guys, but I tend to eat more frequently during this time. When I was like younger, I used to get like super sweet tooth craving type of things, and it would usually be like ice cream, cookies, chocolate, like the typical things. Nowadays it's more like I crave just more food in general. I'll usually have like bigger portion sizes, and like I said, just eating more frequently. Like in a normal day, it'll be like I'll eat a meal, 3 to 4 hours later eat another meal, but it's around this time of the month, then I would like eat a meal and then like maybe 30 minutes to an hour later be like, I'm starving, what's next? And I kind of just listen to my body and let my body do its thing. Don't try to be too hard on it. Don't try to overthink it. If I'm hungry, just eat. Not hungry, don't eat. A lot of times I will just drink some water before, just to make sure it's not that I'm just thirsty. And not that I'm bored eating too. I think that's pretty much the lowdown. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'll let the video speak for itself. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified anytime a new video from me comes out, because I do upload weekly. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and here's the rest of the video. Alright, so getting right into it as I start my day, the first thing I do is start off with some lemon water, just to hydrate myself after sleeping. You guys know this is how I start my day every single day, and it makes me feel good and refreshed. There's so many different benefits to drinking water, even without the lemon. Just drinking water in general, you know, it's good for your body. So I like to start off my day with this right before I even eat breakfast. For breakfast, I tend to go with like the savory side, so I'm having an egg today. Sometimes there'll be 2, 3 eggs, but today I was just feeling like 1 egg. So we're gonna fry the egg and then season it up with some Himalayan pink salt, as well as some garlic powder. Ooh, I love garlic powder. Black pepper, and yeah, we'll just let that cook and sizzle a little bit. Look at that, so good, so good. I try to flip it, but you know, chefing it right now, doing my thing, cooking with Kaya, let's go. And then what I do is I add some, I can't believe it's not butter spray. I find that the spray is just so much easier and less messy, rather than getting the actual butter. And there you have it. I also add some cream cheese on the other toast, so I have 2 toasts with some everything but the bagel seasoning and some nutritional yeast. Then I like to take my pre-workout. I don't like to fill up the bottle all the way. I just put a little bit of water, because I find that it just is easier to just kick in for me. And then I don't do this often, but today I felt like having a coffee after my pre-workout. So here I am just sitting and sipping on it while I'm reading some of my book. And yeah, I like hate mint flavored teas, but mint coffee for some reason is like hitting differently now. I hate like peppermint teas, like all those minty spearmint type of teas, but like this mint mojito is like pretty good. It's pretty good. And I've tried it like only once before, when I tried Phil's for the first time, and that was like the only thing I knew of to get, so I just got it just because I wanted to try it. I don't have any more coffee at home, and I know I took pre-workout, but like I usually would take that pre-workout and then go straight to the gym, but I actually took that pre-workout and then went on a walk and did some other stuff around the house, and for some reason it just like I wasn't feeling it. Like it did nothing. Let me treat myself, switch up my day a little bit, and go grab some actual coffee. And I was like hecka close to just going to Starbucks, because I know what I like and it's pretty inexpensive what I get, like just like a regular iced coffee. But I was like, let me try some Feels because it just sounds good today. Maybe it's because it's that time of the month, but you know, it just sounded good. So I was like, let me just satisfy this little weird, not even a craving, it's just I was kind of feeling it. So grabbed some coffee, this mint mojito. I honestly don't know what else to order from Feels. I know they have like a really nice selection, and their coffee choices and creations are pretty cool. So if you're like a avid Feels drinker, let me know what other suggestions and recommendations, like what else I should get. I hope he's not waiting for me because I'm not coming up out of here. Sir, you have all these parking spots. Yeah, let me know. Maybe I'll try some stuff. I'm the type of person though, like when I know I like something, even if I want to try something new, I'll just keep getting that because I know I like it, rather than getting something that where there's like a possibility of me not liking it. I didn't know that they had oat milk, so I got it with oat milk, and it's really good, really frothy. So after I drink this, I'm just gonna head out to the gym. I'm just kind of in my car sipping it because it was hecka packed in there. I didn't feel like sitting down inside there. Yeah, hopefully by then it'll kick in a little bit, the caffeine, and I could have a nice little workout, smash the workout. I will eat my post-workout meal. You guys will see that. And then get ready for work. Yesterday at work was just so like, it was just one of those days, you know what I mean? Like just one of those days where everything is all over the place. So I'm not really looking forward to going back there today, to be honest. Like during the whole shift, I was just thinking about, should I call out tomorrow? Should I? Would that be out of pocket if I just called out tomorrow knowing how much they need me? But like low-key, I really wanted to. That was it. Time to go. Bye. Alright, so for my post-workout meal, we are going to be doing like a veggie burger from Morningstar Farms. Then I have a potato. I'm gonna cut up these to make like some fries. Avocado for the burger. Sliced onion for the burger as well. And I actually realized that I ran out of the burger buns. And then I also ran out of my sprouted bread that I would normally use. So instead, we're gonna use some sourdough bread. That's what we're gonna do. So you wanna make sure that you preheat the oven, and then you wanna slice up your potatoes. Do this step first because the potatoes tend to take a little bit longer than the actual burger itself, which I just like throw in the microwave to warm up, and then I toast the bread. So yeah, just slice up all the potatoes and like to thin little slices for fries. And then I'm using some coconut spray to spray on the pan on the foil. I just put foil down just because it's easier to clean up. And then I also spray a little topping of that on the fries as well with some seasonings of choice. And then there you have it. Here's the sliced avo and onion, and then that's the burger patty. Here's the toast that I do last because the toasting the bread just takes the fastest. And then now it's time, it's the fun time where you get to dress your patty. Put in some ketchup. I got a little cute and try to, you know, make a little smiley face with the mustard. But yeah, it's a little, you know, little touch. Then I put the onions on there as well as the avocado. Getting real good, getting real cute. There we go. And then I put a little bit of relish instead of pickles because we ran out of pickles. Now that I'm thinking about it, this burger kind of looks sad, but you know. Then we do a little half-piece, cut it up a little bit. And see, doesn't that look good? Gonna add the little potato, and voila, there you have it, your veggie burger. Nice and yummy. And then not too long after that, I got hungry again, so I just had some Cheerios with some almond milk. It was really good and satisfying. I always like to have something a little bit sweeter after having something savory. And then this is just a snack for the road, really easy to put together because my commutes are long, so I like to snack. And I forgot to show you guys what I had for lunch at work, but basically I just had some kale salad. So when I got home, I had this vegan tuna packet, and I just put it under on top of some noodles. And I had some coconut aminos on there, some sugar-free teriyaki sauce, and like I said, the stir-fry noodles. And it was really good. It tastes like tuna. And then to end off with something sweet, of course, I had these nut butter pumpkin bars, which are really good, clean ingredients with some oats and some almond milk. So yeah, that was my full day of eating.